Hey everyone, it's Tim from Linessa Farms Specialty and Heirloom Livestock. Thanks for joining us again on this very special day. This day has been a couple years in the making. You know, we started making videos for our customers so we didn't have to answer the same questions over and over and over. And we knew that there was really a demand out there for information. Now we have tens of thousands of views. Every month we have almost 5,000 subscribers, which I know to a lot of people that doesn't sound like a lot, but to us it is. But you know, behind the scenes with all of this, I've got a full-time job on top of running the farm, but I'm always trying to do more for our customers and to help them out. And one of the major issues that we run into is getting our customers all across the United States, Canada, and abroad the quality feed that they need specifically for the breed of sheep, goat, or other livestock that they raise. This has proven to be a huge issue, and we get emails and phone calls time after time after time of people saying, I can't get in touch with anybody to get good feed, or if I want to order feed, I have to ship it freight and it's going to cost me an arm and a leg. So what we've done and what we've been working on behind the scenes for a couple years now is working with major feed producers in the United States to produce a complete, ultra high protein complete feed for almost every different species of animal that you can think of that would be born and raised on your farm, that we can ship to people for an extremely reasonable price. So you can imagine this was an extremely daunting task. We've been running beta tests. For those of you that have helped us out with our beta tests that we've been doing over the past few months, we greatly appreciate it. And we are finally able to go public with this and to start selling to individuals out there. So again, very exciting news, very exciting time for us here on our farm, and I think you're gonna love the product that we have for you. Stay tuned to find out more. All right, so before we move on and actually show you the product itself, I just want to talk to you a little bit about it. So what these products are they are a pelletized, extremely high protein, completely fortified, medicated feed product that you can take a little amount, 4 ounces, mix it in with a pound of feed and get a complete feed mix. So what does this mean? Well, this means for those of you that live in rural areas where you don't have access to feed, or you've actually priced out some of this feed that you buy at the store and seen how ridiculously expensive it is, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to take plain cracked corn or corn and barley, corn and oats, anything like that, and you're going to be able to add a very, very small amount of this, 4 ounces to it. It's going to up it to 14, 15, 16% protein, depending on how much you add in, and it's going to be a complete feed for you. So for instance, we're just going to use our lamb mix as a for instance. For instance, our lamb mix has anti-coccidiosis medication in it, all the added vitamins and nutrients that you need to include micronutrients like cobalt. It also has the perfect calcium to phosphorus ratio, so you can avoid getting things like urinary calculi. It also has ammonium chloride added to it to keep you from getting urinary calculi. This medicated feed is made specifically for lambs. Unlike some of these things that you get in the big box stores where they say, oh, you know, this is good for multiple species. No, every one of our products is made specifically for what it is that you're going to be feeding. We have feed that's going to be for does and ewes that are lactating and nursing babies. We have specific feed for goat kids. We have specific feed for lambs. We have specific feed for cattle. We have specific feed for horses. Again, the benefit of this is by doing an ultra feed where we had really, really high protein concentration, we're able to ship it in smaller packages. So we're going to be shipping it in 5 and 10 pound packages, and we can ship it anywhere in the United States. So basically, or Canada or abroad. So basically anywhere where you can get basic feed stuff like corn, you can add this to it, and you've got everything that you need. The other thing that I really like about this product is it allows you to make your own special feed. If you're the kind of person that says, well, I want to add barley and I want to add kelp, or I want to add fill in the blank here. Whatever it is that you want to add for your animal, you can make your own base feed, add this concentrated feed mix to it, and again, you're still getting everything that you need. So really, really great product. If I could make it any better, here's the best part. In our research and when we were working through this, what we were finally able to do is we were finally able to find a way around the shipping, so the shipping is extremely affordable. What do I mean when I say extremely affordable? I mean that it's going to cost you about $1 to ship this. So shipping is $1 per item. So that means if you live, I'm in Indiana, if you live in California and you want me to ship you 10 pounds of this, it's going to cost you $1. If you purchase over $100, we're just going to cover all the shipping charges for you. And that's second day USPS with tracking the whole 9 yards. So again, we're actually coming in less than what you can get at the big box store as far as cost. I was at one of the big box stores yesterday that rhymes with Tractor Supply, and I saw they had a complete mix for multiple species, 20% protein. It was $19.99 for, I believe, 5 pounds. We are giving you twice the amount of protein in our product for a fraction of the cost. And the benefit is if you stay tuned to the end of this program, you're going to see that we've got a $5 off coupon for you. So that means for all intents and purposes, most of you can get a 10-pound box with shipping anywhere in the United States for $19.99. So very, very good deal. So with that being said, I just want to take you over really quick. I want to show you how we mix up this feed product, how simple it is for you, and then I'm going to bring out some animals and we're going to feed them. So with that being said, let's head over to the feeders and I can show you exactly how it is that we mix this up. All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to mix this up and how easy this is. Now, this is a 4-ounce scoop. That's how small of an amount of the concentrated feed is that you need. Today we're using our Ultra Lamb. So this is over 40% protein, has all the vitamins, nutrients, everything that you need for feeding your lamb, all in this cup. Now, with that being said, you can't feed this straight to your animals. You have to cut it with something that's far too high protein, has too much medication in it. It's not safe for you to feed this directly to your animals. You have to cut it. So in this case, all I'm going to do for our maintenance dose that we do for most of our animals here, it's 1 pound per head per day anyways. Obviously, if you wanted to mix up more, you can mix up more. This is simply 1 pound of cracked corn. Lindy, come on over here and we'll show the folks. This is 1 pound of cracked corn. I'm going to dump that into my feed trough here. Dump in my 40%. Mix it up. I'm done. That's it. That is now, so we went from cracked corn that is a little over 7% protein. So now we have, I believe this is 13.6% protein now, with the complete feed, with all the vitamins and nutrients that you need. So it's just that easy. Now, if you wanted to up your protein percentage even more and you wanted to change it up, you can do this. This is 1 pound of cracked corn and oats that I have here. I can mix that in together. Obviously, we got a little bit more volume because those rolled oats were a little bit, they weigh a little bit less per volume. Add in my feed, mix this up. Here you go. Over 14% complete mix, and it's got everything that they need. So, all of our products are going to be made this way. All of our products are going to be this easy to use. It's a no-brainer. Here's a couple of our lambs, and as you can see, they are going right after this without any problem whatsoever. So go to foundationfeed.com, check it out, place your order. If you would like, you can use our discount code. I don't know why you wouldn't want to use it. Our discount code is ChowTime5, and you'll see that right here, and that's going to give you $5 off of your first order. So again, that's going to come out to like $19.99 with shipping included for a 10-pound box. Very good deal. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let us know. We're still going to be making the same high quality videos that we've always made. This isn't going to turn into a showpiece for us selling you products. This is just something that we were very excited about that we wanted to share with you. So again, foundationfeed.com. You can also catch the link to that through linessafarms.com. And coming up here soon, it looks like we're getting close to winter time, so we're going to be talking about getting ready to winterize our farms, and that video is going to be out here within the next week. So without further delay, get on out there, hop on the website, and check it out. I am Tim from Linessa Farms Specialty and Heirloom Livestock. Thanks for joining us again today, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.